In this tutorial, we're designing a YouTube banner using Frame Mask for precise image control. Set your document to YouTube's recommended banner size. Safe areas are critical here. Create frames for background visuals and featured images. This ensures content stays within visible zones. Drop images into frames and adjust positioning carefully. Important elements should remain centered and readable on all devices. Frame Mask allows quick image swaps for seasonal or branded updates. No layout rebuild required. This workflow keeps banners flexible and professional. Practice this method to design confidently and efficiently.